Welcome to CryptoTech Today, your source for all things crypto and tech.
Be sure to follow us on YouTube and follow @GaryCryptoBro on X.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel CryptoTech Today, and this is your friend Gary the Crypto Bro. So I am back with a new video after a long time. It's been a month, so I haven't updated anything related to the Verasity and other cryptocurrency. So let's update about the Verasity, and it's the July 1st, and where is at the starting of the quarter 3, and it's quarter 1 and quarter 2 already finished. According to Verasity articles on the and January 2025, they said that they will finish the PoV migration to Tron blockchains at the end of the quarter 2. Still, we haven't received any articles regarding that things. So the community, lot of community members are worried about these things, and there is a lot of negativity going on the social network like X, Telegrams, and other platform as well. You can in the coin market cap as well. Also, the price is reflecting that things, and it is decreasing 16%, over 16% in 7 days. As you can see, you can check the comment in the coin market cap as well. So it has been declining. So people are expecting, the communities are expecting about the POB migrations within the quarter 2, but still we haven't received any news regarding this, any article regarding this. Let's hope we'll get this maybe sooner. So just expect the good thing. So I believe that Veracity is currently in the multi-year support line. So according to the chart, let's now we got it. So this is the weekly chart of the Veracity. As you can clearly see, it's multi-year double bottom. So last time in 2021, Veracity explode from this level we are currently testing on. So if we get any information or any news regarding the POB migrations uh, and POB tokens, then I think that the Veracity has a high chance that it forming the triangle pattern. If we get any news related to the POB migration, then it can broke this level and we can reach at least 3 cent in the short to mid term, if the Bitcoin also show the strength, as well as the main thing is Ethereum show the strength, so that the altcoin can run at that time. So yeah, I think it's still the best time to do DCA for the Veracity, and I think that the double double bottom is already reached, or we can maybe drop to around like 0.00095 to 0.0011 label. But still, this is the best buying opportunity and the dishing opportunity. I expect that Veracity team has a lot of partnership, and it's a patent working product, and I believe that they will definitely fix this problem, and we will get the Tron migration maybe within this month. As there we used to say that, like, every time they they give the articles to the community after 1 or 2 weeks of their quarter. So I feel that this is the good time to take the DCA, and I believe this will definitely uh, pump like 100 or 200% once the all seasons will perform good. So we expect the Ethereum will dominate the Bitcoin, and the all season will come soon, as well as I expect the rate cut from the Fed, so that the quantitative easing will start, and the money will follow into the low cap to mid cap altcoin. At that time, Veracity will definitely pump. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. I believe that Veracity should definitely come back. So in the meantime, please subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can to the community. Just follow me on the crypto, follow me in the X, which is CryptoTech Today, and which is the Gary the Crypto Bro. So you can just follow me here, and you can get updated from the latest news about the Veracity and the other crypto as well. Thanks for watching. See you guys.